Welcome back to Property Pulse. Today we are stepping inside some of Bakersfield's most beautiful, unique, and jaw-dropping homes, all while getting the inside scoop from the expert who knows this market like the back of his hand. Guiding us through all the listings, the tips, and the tricks is our weekly real estate pro, the one and only William Gordon from the award-winning Gordon Team Realty. Hi, William.
Hi, Kate. You're looking quite festive. All you need is some jingle bells, bracelets.
I already got asked. I'm like, are you shooting Christmas promos today? I was like, no, I just felt like it. It looked cute and warm, and it's wet outside, so we went with it.
I'm going to buy a red suit. we
got to get prepared for the holiday season ahead.
Absolutely.
So I hear you have 3 houses for us today.
We've got something new and 2 price reductions.
I love it.
Let's start right off the top with...
Ooh, dun, dun, dun,
this
dun.
gorgeous home.
We've been
still
inside
available.
that one.
We've been inside it. Legend Oaks Lane. Absolutely stunning architecture. High-end finishes. Look at that kitchen. We've gone down in price. It's ready for a buyer, and it really has it all. It has a guest house. It has another bar. It's got 2 bars, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, over 5,000 square feet. So it's all 5s here.
It's just gorgeous. I mean, being able to see that one in person, the videos don't truly showcase how much of a showstopper it is.
It really is. Yeah, just the high quality of craftsmanship. This is not a cookie cutter, just came off the production line. Look at that lot. You can't duplicate this without spending way more than what we're priced for. Mm-hmm. And you have so much solar, you don't have to worry about running the AC with the doors open. Don't quote me on that. But what do you think we are at now? We were at a little over 2 1/4. What are we at?
I don't even remember. You're going to have to tell me, William.
We're at 2.2. So that's a nice little reduction, bringing it into your budget.
Love it.
9010 Wolf River. Also been on the market for just a little while. This 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,750 square foot charmer.
Cute as a button.
It is. It's ready for new owners. They're getting a little tight in there with the kids and everything getting bigger. And so now it's your opportunity to live in a great community, Callaway Park, right there by the Green Acres Community Center, right off Callaway, and near Fruitvale Junior High. It is a really, really convenient location. You're close to all the shopping and dining on Roselle Highway. Mm-hmm. You're right there, tucked away. Just a great little neighborhood to raise a family in. Or if you're single, it's a good size. Throw a couple roommates in there, jump in the Doughboy next summer, and enjoy this beautifully maintained home. Lots of nice little touches inside. So, where do you think we are now?
$475.
We are at $450.
Ooh, love it.
We were at $475, and now we're at $450. So really great price. Brand new on the market in River Lakes. This property on Harbor Club really, really has it all. It's 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,704 square feet. You've got that great office up front. You've got that lovely flooring throughout. Really modern aesthetic in this home. Pantry, good sized kitchen, refinished cabinets, new appliance package. All the little things that you'd expect. You might be able to put some knobs on those, but other than that, it's ready to go. And it's a great layout too, because you've got a 3-car garage. You've got a pool in the backyard that's beautiful. You have an extended Alumawood patio cover. You've got that very nice custom feel shower in the master.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's quite nice. And so it's not just how the builder built it with some paint. Beautiful pool, outdoor living, the shades, everything dialed in. What do you think we're listed for there?
It was a similar size to the last one, so I'm going to say $450. Is it $450?
It is $450.
Hey, I got one. Woo-hoo, today was the day. Mark it down on your calendars, babe.
Well, but you know what? That one has a real pool. The other one on Wolf River is newer.
Has an above ground pool.
Yeah, the other one on Wolf River is newer with an above ground pool, which doesn't add a lot of value. Whereas this one has a real pool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so definitely, I mean, it really just kind of depends what you want out of it. There's 2 options, same price range.
Yeah.
What do you want?
One you have to maintain year round.
Yes.
And the other one you can put it in your garage for next year.
Just put it away. Just don't even think about it.
Just put it away, not worry about chemicals. Wow, this thing is really rocking today.
Don't rock back, William.
Okay, so You know, the holidays are here. We're getting a little rain. We had a drizzle this morning. I think it was totally
weird.
Unexpected. Where's the weatherman?
Where's Kevin?
Where's the weatherman around here? So we have a lot of rain coming next week, I believe. And that brings me to my next topic, which is roofing.
Roofing.
People don't call their local roofer until they're putting buckets under a leak.
It's too late.
Yeah, and by the time it leaks into your house and ruins your drywall and your ceiling and whatever else, it's already dampening all of your insulation in your attic. It's leading to potential major issues.
Right.
So you really, even if you have a tile roof, okay, you have composition asphalt and you have tile. Tile is like rated for life, but you do have to maintain it.
Sure.
Nothing lasts forever if you just leave it up there and don't do anything to it. You need to have a roofer on your roof every 3 to 4 years. Maybe 5, you can get away with it on a tile roof. On new construction, you should have a roofer up there at the end of the first or second year.
Oh, really?
Probably the second year, because things do shift and crack.
Oh, well,
especially
the house is settling.
Yeah, on that very first year or two. And then after that, it'll start to be a more of a steady rate of tiles just cracking because the sun is so hot.
Sure.
In the summer. Whereas with a composition shingle roof, you're looking at total replacement needed it's a 20-year roof, 30-year roof. They don't sell the 20-year roofs, I've been told by my go-to roofers anymore. Who puts a 20-year roof on, right?
Well, they're trying to have to guarantee it for 20 years, and that sounds expensive.
Well, no, and then 30 years kind of your base.
Yeah.
And then they have 40 and 50-year composition. But still, with comp, it can be kind of everything's great until it's all not. And if you want to get a roof tune-up, don't wait till right after it rains because they tend to get really busy. The damage is done. Have them come out, I would say right around the time you're getting your heater tuned up.
Right, yeah. You're getting your seasonal change.
Yep.
Also have your roof looked at. Very, very smart. Well, thank you for your sage advice as always, sir.
Yeah, and because I have to deal with the buyers then asking, why are there stains on the ceiling?
What happened here?
Yeah, exactly.
So fix it before it's a problem. I feel like that's something we have to say a lot around here. But, you know,
preventive
here we are.
medicine.
So if you're interested in any of the homes featured today, make sure you give William a call. Thank you, William.
Thanks, Kate.
And with that, we're going to take a short break. We'll be right back.